All right, this is the Audio-Technica Pro 24-CM stereo condenser microphone. I have this right here. I'm about to open this up, unbox it, and review it a little bit. All right, so pretty nice looking mic. Pull this out. So the first thing I'm pulling out is the wind muff right here. And this is supposed to take away from the wind noise. It hits the microphone, so that's going to be used quite a bit. And then here is the microphone. Right here, it's a microphone, easily slides onto a shoe, onto the camera, camcorder, or mirrorless camera, or DSLR, if some of you are still using the DSLR. Here's an on-off switch, and there is a battery in here, just in case your camera cannot run off of phantom power. There's a battery you put in there, and you can turn it on and off to power the microphone. So here comes the shoe right here, an adjustable shoe. And then here is the input, the output, output from the mic. Input, output, you know what I mean. Right here for stereo connection. Right here, it's a rubber clamp to keep the noise down. And inside of here is some instructions for the stereo condenser microphone, as well as a pouch for the microphone to go in. All right, so that was the unboxing review of the camera. Look forward to using this stereo type of microphone. Let me know if you have any questions.